Today is about to become your favorite holiday. It's Apple Pie Day. What could be more patriotic and delicious than that? Apple pie didn't actually originate in America. So have you ever wondered when this delicious dessert became considered American? Even though apple pie wasn't created in America, it was one of the first desserts to be made here. To try and distance themselves from the British culture, the Pilgrims started using a recipe for a buttery pie crust the Dutch and German immigrants taught them. After filling it with apple slices, they created some of the first American apple pies. A recipe for apple pie was included in the first known American cookbook, American Cookery. The best way to celebrate today is by eating a slice of pie, of course. What's your favorite apple pie recipe or your favorite place to grab a slice? Let us know in the comments. This is Tim Lockhart with Keller Williams Realty. DM me if you have any real estate questions.